In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make over 200,000 naira every month by doing telecom business in Nigeria. This business model I'm about to present to you is a secret business that top brands in Nigeria on telecom business that are on telecom business are using to make a lot of money in the process. Now, I'm going to introduce you with this business. And the simple truth about this business is that we are starting with a little amount of money, which is nothing less than, let's call it 25,000 naira as the total money that you need to invest into this business to be making 200,000 naira every blessed month. So if that is something that interests you, stick around with this video. I'm not going to waste your time because time is a very precious commodity we don't have as women. So I'm going to go straight to the point, showing you this thing that you need to do to be able to make 200,000 naira every month in Nigeria as a telecom provider. Now, this video is no way a process of either to say something, but I'm just trying to expose to you the hidden truth about this business and how you can get started. Now, if you look on Google, you see that the worth of telecom business in Nigeria is roughly $70 billion. Now, we are not talking about naira here, we are talking about dollar. So $70 billion. So if you can tap into just a little bit of this amount of worth of telecom business, won't you be happy? And then why is this thing so worth amount? As telecom business worth this kind of amount? It's because it's an everyday product. You and I make use of airtime, data, TV subscription every day of our life. So that is the reason why telecom business worth such amount. So it is a vital business that everybody can participate in, and it can never go saturated. Saturation means that a business that once you do it, it has like a time in which if people are not going to buy from you. But here on telecom business, it is something that keep evolving. Now, the strategy that you are going to do is what I want to show you that will make you 200,000 every month. Now, there is first phase strategy and the second phase strategy. The first phase strategy may be a little bit difficult for you, but the second phase strategy is going to be scaling up the business. Now, this is just a part one series on this video, and I'm going to be making more series as time progresses. So for you to get other series on this series, you need to actually subscribe to the channel, which is Legit Cash Business TV. What I do here on Legit Cash Business is that I teach you top-notch business opportunities, which include VTU technology, crypto trading, forex trading, mobile app development, online businesses that really works. I also cover app development for free. So do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I make an update like this, you'll be notified right away. Having said that, let's continue. Now, how do you get started building this telecom business that will make you 200,000 every month? The first concept first is to go to a website which is called instantmobile.com.ng. This is a website that offers you telecom services that ranges from how to build a telecom business. You can also start as a vendor for free. Now here, we're not looking at you being a vendor. We're looking at you owning the business. Okay, one thing about Instant Mobile in Nigeria is that any portal they are building, they are actually doing it in a way in which you are independent, in the sense that your business run with your brand. And that is a good for you because it sounds make your business to go viral. And having known that people don't know who is actually powering you, that way you are actually in control of the business. So when you head over to instantmobile.com.ng, you go to prices sections. The prices sections is very, very important for you because here you have to make a selections of a package. But here in this video, I don't want you to get it all twisted or begin to see, which package am I going to choose? The strategy I'm going to teach you in this video is really very going to work out if you follow my strategy. Now, what you need to do in this place is to look at the packages. There is several packages, but I don't want you to go around looking at the packages. Each of them can get you started. One thing about telecom business is not just the features of what you are actually requesting for is the ability for you to run the business following a blueprint, which I'm showing you in this video. So for in this blueprint, I'm going to choose a first package here, which is MSD Pack 1. That's just what you need to choose in this blueprint as the first phase of the business. Just choose this. It's very little amount, which you can see here, 13,500. That will give you a V2 website. Okay, a V2 website that is going to give you SME at a very good rate, something like 220 per 1 gig. Okay, so don't mind the price, because people always say, I want to go for the highest package so that I'll get a higher little discount. The problem is not about the prices, the problem is how you represent the business. So I'm showing you this in this very video so that you follow a principle that works. So the first thing I want you to do is to pick this first package, which is MSD Pack 1. How do you pick it? Just click on Order Now. Once you click on Order Now, it will take you to the order page where you see the bank detail to pay. Now, pick up your phone, a mobile phone, and make a transfer. Okay, make a transfer of 13,500 into this account, which you are seeing on the screen right now, which is Unique Recharge Solution, Access Diamond Bank. Then after which you send this notification to this particular line, 081 36 36 7446. That's the first step you need to take. Your website will be booked under .com.ng domain, which is normal because this can make you to rank well on Google, because Google treats .com.ng domain because you are trading on the Nigerian market. So forget about the going for the .com domain. That is not necessary in this video. So once you have picked this, the next thing you need to do is to head over to a website, which I'm going to show you. But before I show you this website, please do well to subscribe to the channel, which is Legit Cash Business TV, because I make videos that revolves around how to make money online through telecom business, cryptocurrency business, mobile app development. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon, and like this video because it makes the YouTube algorithm to recognize this video and show it to other people that needed this kind of opportunity. That way, I will be very more happy to produce more content like this. Remember, our initial bargain in this business is you're going to start it with a 25,000 naira as a total capital. So if you use your calculator, remember, this package, the first one is 13,500. So I have just noted down. The next thing you need to go is to go to a website which is called V2 Camp Code. Okay, what is a V2 Camp Code? It's a platform where you learn how to build websites, build V2 websites, and all that related digital marketing kind of business. It's actually a learning hub. But here on V2 Camp Code, what I want you to do is to go to this course, which is called YouTube Mastering Course. Follow me in this tutorial because this is not unusual as what Shedrach used to share on the channel. I'm making this concept because I know many people are coming to my WhatsApp to tell me, Shedrach, how are you doing this? This my business is stuck. How do I be able to make the business work for me? This is the video for you this year and even beyond this year if you really want to make money on telecom business. So head over to Video Camp Code. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. Then click on YouTube Mastering Course. This is actually a course that will expose you the hidden truth about YouTube and how to make it work for your business effectively. So click on this YouTube Mastering Course. Anywhere you want to locate it, you can go to the course sections. If you didn't get it when the time you're watching this video, because several courses is going to be listed in this platform, all you have to do is to click on courses at the top section here. You can see it here. Just click on courses. You also locate the YouTube Mastering Course. But here, you can see the YouTube Mastering Course is how much? It's 7,000 naira. It's an introductory price. So all you have to do is to add it to the initial payment, which you did before, which is to get a V2 website under bulk order, which is 13,500 plus 7,000. We are now left with 20,500. So what is YouTube Mastering Course? You can go through the course and to know what this YouTube Mastering Course means. It is actually a course that will expose to you how you can represent your business and make it to work on autopilot every 24 hours. So this is the second thing you need to do. Pick up this course. Then once you pick up this course, the next thing is to head over to another website, which is called 24-hour income generator. This is actually a platform that also sells a digital product. In this place, what you need to do is to pick a course which is called the Telecom Handbook Blueprint. Because any business you need to run, you need to know this in and out of that business. So this blueprint will give you every details about this business, and actually give you another very, very important thing that I want to cite out in this business, which is how to build a mobile app. There's many concepts in this blueprint. It's actually a book that you can download, read about it, print it out, and study everything about the book. But here, what I want you to do is to pay attention that this book also give you ability for you to build a mobile app. Because in this business, this VTU website need a mobile app, because everybody is making use of mobile app to access the internet or to access a particular platform. So you are going to learn how to build a mobile app yourself using the strategy taught in this book. So that's why you need this book. And how much is this book? The book is currently sold for 3,500. So if you add up the 3,500 for 20,500, the total amount we are now left is 24,000 that you need to get started. So get this book, read about the book, and understand the in and out of telecom business. Then once you have gotten all this, then the next thing is for you to learn how to price your VTU website. I'm going to show you that in the next series in this video. But before I show you that, get started, pick a package first, follow the instruction, go and enroll in this what's it called, YouTube mastering course. Get yourself educated first, because for you to run a business that really going to go far, you need a training, and that is why I'm recommending these two training to merge up with your VTube website, and then so that you not be biased of how is this thing run. Are they even understand how to get customer and all that? All these things are covered. Both traffic, two things are covered in this book, which is how to hunt for traffic on demand, and also how to create a mobile app. Then this one will give you a position to have a virtual office that will be answerable to your business 247. That is the reason why I'm merging the concept. So you need a V2 website, irrespective of how much you are selling, is not a problem. Because in the next video series, I'm going to be showing you exactly how the pricing strategy you can implement. But the only thing you can understand this video is if you must have already buy a package. So pick up your mobile phone, make a transfer now, and then let me have your details, and then I'm going to be able to make you notify you when the next video is released on prices. So get started right away. I remain your host, Mr. Shedrach. If you enjoyed this video, please do it to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon, because I'm going to make the price update in this video so that you'll be notified when I'm done with that. So get started the right way by picking your phone and making a transfer, pay for all these packages the way I put it, the way get the telecom hardware blueprint, the YouTube mastering course, and the bulk order, the first package. And then I'm going to see you in the inside. I remain your host, Mr. Shedak. I'm going to see you in the next video.